Friends, thank you for supporting the pageantry. It's time for having a memorial, but again, we have to start with the thing which is supposed to be a homage for our ICA mate. എല്ലാവരോടും ഞാൻ 30 സെക്കൻഡ് എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിൽക്കാൻ ആവശ്യപ്പെടുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ പ്രിയങ്കരനായിരുന്ന Muhammad Shafi, who passed away days before, and I want all of you to stand and give a reference to our friend who passed away recently. All of you please stand for 30 seconds. Yes. This meeting is going to be dedicated for this, our own ICA mates who are not with us, namely Faisal, Shukur, and Muhammad Shafi. All these glittering stars who are not with us, we remember those friends being with us. To do the welcome address, what should be welcomed? There is a saying in Sanskrit, Ano Bhadra Krato Yandu Vishwata. Let noble thought come to us from every side. Mahataya Chindagal Varate. To do the welcome address, I hereby call upon stage a very senior student of ICA, a self-made, an entrepreneur, Mr. M.V. Rashid, to give the welcome address.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. On behalf of the organizing committee, it's my pleasure to welcome KV Nasir to preside over the function. Nasir has been an active member of the group when he was a student as well as an ex-student. It's also my pleasure to welcome Faisal, whose websites we all adore. It gave us a platform to communicate and helped a lot in making this function possible. The days in ICA, it always is a special for us, in one way or the other. Reminiscing the days in ICA, it's also a special one for us. As you all can see, I am from one of the old batches. In fact, I was the second batch of the ICA and the first batch to move into the hostel. When we moved into the hostel, the building was not done, but the rules were strict. With Colonel Sahib Jan as the principal and Ashraf sir as the warden, it can't be more stricter than that. The people who knows them will agree with me.
A mere recognitions for those people who are presented in the crowd. I hereby recognize the presence of those teachers who have joined here in this Reminiscing 2011. I hereby recognize the presence of Hassan Dilshad, a former student, but the former teacher of ICA. I also recognize the presence of Bushra PU, a student turned teacher who is present in this crowd. I recognize the presence of Advocate Sudhir, who have been teaching in ICA College, and those people who have come from outside UAE, I recognize one and all, especially from India, senior Mr. Kunyalanguti, Ibrahim Kuti, all those expat, all students who have joined this function, I recognize. It's time for the chairman's address. I hereby call upon stage a person who is already with us in the dais, Mr. K.V. Nessi, to go for the chairman's address.